Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita akan bahas materi letter writing and structure of letters pada mata kuliah English for Business. Kita akan lihat di sini tentang terkait letter writing. Yang pertama, a successful business letter is characterized by courtesy, clarity, and conciseness. Jadi pertama itu surat bisnis ya, yang berhasil, yang bagus itu dengan apa? Politeness ya. Courtesy itu kesopanan, clarity itu kejelasan, dan conciseness itu padat ya, rapat gitu. Let each letter have one main idea or point, and this should be communicated in plain and easy to understand language. Nah, yang penting itu. Jadi easy to understand language. Kemudian pomposity, negative attitude, and curtness exclude rudeness, and hence should be meticulously avoided. Jadi yang bahasa sikap yang negatif, kemudian bahasa yang kasar, itu mesti harus dihindari pada surat bisnis ya. Kita akan lihat contoh surat ini, surat yang biasa dulu nih. The following very brief correspondence between James Berry and A.E. Hausman. Dear Professor Hausman, I'm sorry about last night when I sat next to you and didn't say a word. You must have thought I was a very rude man. I'm really a very shy man. Nah, sincerely yours, J.M. Berry. Ini contoh aja sederhana ya. Contoh yang berikutnya kita bisa lihat di sini. Dear Sir James Berry, I'm sorry about last night. Ini tadi sama ini ya. When I sat next to you and didn't say a word, you must have thought I was a very rude man. I'm really a very shy man. Sincerely yours, A.E. Hausman. Di sini ada PS, postscript. Nah, ini kalau bahasa Indonesia namanya NB ya. And now you've made it worse, for you have spelled my name wrong. Nah, kita lihat contoh yang lain. Look at the following letter written by the maintenance engineer of factory campus to a senior officer whom he knew personally and with whom he had good relations. Yeah. Dear sir, some of the officers residing in your line have been complaining about the insufficient supply of water, especially the water pressure. In an on-the-spot survey, it has been reported that you have installed a water tap at the ground level. This creates low water pressure in the adjacent houses. The management doesn't provide hydrants and additional taps outside or inside the house. I'm directed to inform you that the unauthorized connection may please be disconnected within 3 days of the receipt of this letter. In case of necessity, this department will be pleased to help you in disconnecting the water connection. If this is not done within the stipulated time, the department will be forced to disconnect the line. Looking at the present water scarcity, we hope you will help us in supplying water to your neighbors, as well as who are greatly inconvenienced by insufficient water supply. Your cooperation is solicited. Yours faithfully. Nah, seperti ini contoh surat ya. Contoh surat. Jadi di sini ada salutation, ya kan. Kemudian di sini ada suratnya. Kita akan lihat sebenarnya apa saja elemen yang harus ada dalam sebuah surat ya, terutama surat bisnis. Yang pertama yang namanya heading. Nah, heading itu kop surat, itu harus ada. Kemudian date ya, tanggal. Reference, ini ada ini. Ref ya, ini biasanya ada. Inside address, attention line. Nah, ini juga biasanya ada, pasti ada. Salutation, subject, body, complementary clause, signature, identification marks. Ini kadang ada, kadang enggak ya. Enclosure. Ada beberapa contoh. Coba saya akan lihatkan di contoh yang ini ya. Di sini ada yang disebut sebagai heading. Nah, ini headingnya ini. This is the heading. Kalra Engineering Works dan seterusnya. Ini alamatnya ya. Kemudian ada date di sini. 17 September 2014. Ya kan? Kemudian ada lagi apa di sini? Inside address. Nah, di sini ada inside address di sini. Kemudian ada salutation, dear sir, thank you for your letter, bla bla bla. Nah, this is what we call subject, ya, subject, and then the body, and then complimentary clause. Yours faithfully. This is complimentary clause, and then BC, tenant, ya. There is a signature here, and then BCT, and then LG. This is the name of the typist, ya. The what is it? Ini adalah nama singkatan dari penulisnya ya, atau pengetik, juru ketiknya. Enclosure lampirannya 1. Nah, seperti ini. Ini adalah contoh surat bisnis. Dari head, ya, ada headnya itu heading. Kemudian ada date, ya kan? Ini mestinya date-nya agak di apa ini? Agak diturunkan ya mestinya. Okay, let me like this one. This one. Okay. Jadi mestinya agak diturunkan begini. Date, and then enclosed address, inside address, I mean, and salutation. Okay. And then what we call complementary clause. This is a complementary clause. And then for your assignment, rewrite this letter making necessary changes in layout, content, and style in conformity with the principle of business letter writing. Ya, jadi ini tugasnya bisa nanti dikerjakan di e-learning Wali Songo ACID ya. Jadi suratnya seperti ini, silakan diedit ya, kemudian disesuaikan dengan layout yang betul sebagaimana business letters ya. Dan materi ini sudah saya upload juga di e-learning ya. Silakan dikerjakan assignment 1 ya, nanti dikerjakan di assignment 1 ini. Jadi surat ini nanti diedit, kemudian ditulis di Microsoft Word, kemudian diupload gitu saja ya, agar suratnya itu sesuai dengan surat yang betul ya. Jadi minimal seperti ini ya kan. Saya rasa itu yang bisa saya sampaikan. See you again next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.